What's going on, guys? Dan here, back with another video. This video is going to be a little different because basically it's not going to be really about cars, but if you haven't seen on my Instagram, I had recently went to New York, and I was supposed to be I was going to try and daily vlog, but I really couldn't, mainly because one, it was super cold, and two, because it was snowing. So since it was snowing, when the snow would hit my skin, or if it would hit the camera, it would get a little wet, and I just decided to not film while I was there since it was snowing, because it ended up kind of melting on the camera, and I was scared that the camera was gonna get water damage because of, you know, water getting on the camera. So I basically filmed what I could, and I'm gonna just compile it all together in this video of what I do have. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and we'll go on to the New York vlog. What's going on, guys? Dan here, back with another video. This is a video that it's a little different from all my other videos. You know, this one isn't gonna really be based around cars per se. This is more gonna be like adventure. I'm gonna be there for about 5 days and then coming back. I'm driving up with me and a group of friends, so we're gonna go there, spend 5 days together there, and yeah, just gonna hang out, and I want to capture that and share it with you guys. So that's basically what I plan on doing. So today we are planning on leaving. We are gonna be driving up to New York instead of taking a flight there, just because it's more, I guess it's cheaper for everybody to just put in money for a rental rather than everybody get their own separate tickets for a plane. I am gonna be, well, I already packed, but I am gonna be driving. Not yet, I'm not sure at what point I'm gonna be driving, but we're all taking turns driving the car, so it's not really a problem of just catching sleep. You just kind of sleep whenever it's not your turn, to be honest. And I'll be filming along the way anything I can that's really interesting or relevant to the vlog to show you guys. So right now I'm just waiting for my friends to come back because they're picking up the rental as we speak, and yeah, after that we should be on our way out. See, got the rental, nice little Dodge minivan. I'm gonna take Matthew's car back to his house, and then we will be on the road. Look at Matthew. Look at Matthew. New York. Oh man. You feel me? That's not gonna work. What are you doing? Look at Dad. Look at Dad number 2 over there. Can't believe it's actually happening though. Could not forget my H&M bag. It's got some new stuffs. Let's see if they can include this in there. Yeah.
Red bottom.
Boy, you could. You might as well change it to that now.
You ugly.
Now you stop with that boom boom. That's what I really need. I really need Nike slides.
I forgot my
I
slides.
got my Adidas. My Adidas. Adidas.
I'm about to rank you, boy. Oh. What is good with these guys? Ooh, 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 ooh.
Y'all crushing my shoes.
Yeah,
I'm about to say bye to Julian's mom.
I'm dying.
Let's say bye, we gone.
And the trunk space.
But your hairline not that good either.
I'm done. Look, we could have used that. See, look, all that space.
Hey, let's take this. They could keep that. We take this one. Take this one.
Yeah, man. Bring the auxiliary cord.
So she can use that car. We can take this one.
Got a point there, son.
He did.
Oh, I'm gonna need to hook up the phone on some more.
What?
I gotta get like a lot of supplies from
What just happened, bro?
Ah! Let go of me, let go of me.
Snap me, G.
It's,
You better not put it on YouTube.
it's the rape. It's the rape round here, boy.
This nigga is bad. Oh! Okay, hold up. Let me put this here.
So who is driving?
Me.
Julian, no. Me.
No, not Julia.
Me, him, and Jamal. Adrian was supposed to drive.
Only the people that have license.
Mama. It's not a picture, this is a video.
She posed.
But yeah.
Hi, children. What's up? So who driving? Jamal. What happened?
He was chasing me from my head. He was chasing me.
Where? That's the liquor run?
My head been headed all day.
Oh, never mind.
Julian, don't hit my car.
Boy, Juliet.
I have to talk to you real quick.
Oh, he gonna hit it. He gonna hit it. He ain't hit it.
I ain't risking that.
Keep the car right there. Oh no.
What he gotta do? He can't parallel. He can't parallel park.
You call them. They was already waiting.
Alright, so now we are about to start our trip. We're gonna start driving. I'm gonna let Matthew take the wheel for now.
Oh god.
Oh my god. This is gonna be a long ride. So I'm gonna have to like put like a little cut scene of just like a bunch of driving with music in the background and then just show you guys when we actually get there.
That much. You just
Nah,
they just see
nah.
it. You put it, they see it.
Nah, I gotta let them know. This better be a long drive.
A long ass ride.
how long, kid?
24 hours long.
No, not
Like
24.
like 20 hours, 18 to 20 hours
Depending on
long.
traffic.
But yeah, so I'm gonna cut it right here. Finally made it, guys. You guys probably can't really see me because it's pretty dark, but we finally made it to New York. Long drive, took about 18 hours to get here. Woo. Pretty chilly too. We made it, guys. Yeah. It's lit. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're just getting our stuff now. About to go back. Got my stuff right here. Alright guys, so this is the room. It's pretty nice. Nice little Airbnb. Y'all raping him? Alright. So we actually had like a little problem trying to get in. We couldn't contact the Airbnb host because her phone was off for the past 2 hours. We got here like, how long ago?
We got here like 5 o'clock.
Yeah, we got here like 5 o'clock and it's 7. It's like 7 o'clock right now and we're just now getting in. Man, we were just in the car waiting. We were like, we almost got a hotel somewhere else.
We almost got reimbursed somewhere else for the night.
That's crazy.
It's fucking ridiculous.
But yeah, so we made it finally here. I don't think we're gonna be doing much tonight. We're all pretty tired. Just gonna stay in. So I'm gonna have to end the video here.